Greetings everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I will be showing simple steps on how to perfectly install MATLAB 2017a version without mistakes. You know, MATLAB companies, they have tightened their security. Their security was to prevent users from downloading unlicensed version of the MATLAB. Even when the users go through the simple readme guide or some tutorials on how to install MATLAB, they will still not get the steps correctly. That is why I made this video, and if you follow the steps in this video, believe me, you are going to have 100% working full setup of the software. But before I present the steps, there are few things you need to do. First thing, you turn off your internet. If your system is connected to internet facility, say hotspot, Wi-Fi, router, any internet device, turn it off. Then turn off your Windows Defender or any antivirus in your system. Then after the installation, you can proceed to on it. So having said that, let me present the video and follow the steps, and if you have any question, kindly leave a comment and be assured that I will get back to you. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Okay, at this junction, I believe that your software is now working, but after the crack process, if you are still having issues with smooth opening of the software, then do the following steps in the next slide. locate the .lic file in the Clark folder. Then choose open with. When you right click, choose open with. Then choose notepad. After choosing notepad, hold the control key and the H key simultaneously and place two of them. A window will pop up. Then replace 2018 with 2030. Then click on replace all. After that, go back to the Clark folder. Then change the name of .lic file to license underscore R2017a .lic. Then save. When you do that, copy it and go to your local disk where you have program MATLAB license and replace it with the .lic file that is already there. Then when you do this, be rest assured that you are good to go. Your MATLAB will be working by now. But then if the problem still persists, no problem, just leave comment below and be assured that I will get back to you and resolve the issue. Thank you for your audience, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye.